English Grade 3, Lesson 21. Read and learn at a bookshop. Manori, how much is a pen? Shopkeeper, the pen is 10 rupees. Manori, give me a pen please. I want an exercise book too. Shopkeeper, the pen and the exercise books is 20 rupees. Manori, here is the money. Shopkeeper, thank you. Come again. Meaning. Meaning. Repeating the lessons studied. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. He is my uncle. She is my auntie. Repeating the lessons studied. Where do you live? I live in Kandy. I live in Colombo. I live in Mathara.